Intervals 8. Complementary intervals. A pair of complementary intervals are two intervals that complete the octave. To find an interval's complement, transpose the lower note up an octave or transpose the upper note down an octave while keeping the other note the same. A pair of complementary intervals have the same two notes, and they only differ by which note is on the bottom. Complementary intervals have complementary distances. Unisons complement to octaves, seconds complement to sevenths, thirds complement to sixths, fourths complement to fifths, and vice versa. Complementary intervals also have complementary qualities. Perfect intervals complement to perfect intervals. Major intervals complement to minor intervals. Augmented intervals complement to diminished intervals, and vice versa. Notice that the perfect intervals have self-complementing qualities. In the example we previously looked at, minor complements to major and 6 complements to 3. Therefore, a minor 6 and major third are complementary. To identify an interval and its complement, first find the complement by transposing the bottom note up an octave or by transposing the top note down an octave. Then identify one of the intervals. The complement will have a complementary quality and distance according to the tables. Being able to find an interval's complement can be useful in identifying difficult intervals. For example, consider the interval from G flat to F. The complement is quite easy to identify. In this case, it is a minor second. Then, you can use the interval table to look up the complement, which in this case is a major seventh. Identifying the complements of intervals will further improve your interval recognition.